Hello, my name is Ilga Koporīte. I come from Latvia. I work as a researcher at the University of Latvia at the Faculty of Geography and Earth Sciences. This was my first time in Macedonia in Balvajas conference, and I have presented a poster. And the topic of my poster was about anthropogenic pressure on Latvian lakes. I was evaluating concentrations of heavy metals and phosphorus in lake sediments. And phosphorus is especially important as it is nutrient in lake ecosystems that can favor eutrophication. Yeah, and I found this conference that it was very nice and in a very beautiful place, and the weather was also good, so I have enjoyed this event. Thank you.